Welcome back to our Oakleys, guys. We have a special episode today. We're going to be unofficially unboxing a very rare, very awesome pair of radars. These are a Tour de France exclusive from, I'm going to say, maybe 15, 16 years ago. They're a red fade with a splatter, and they are awesome. But before we check these out, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. Also, be sure to check out our other videos. I always say this, but we have a ton of fantastic and exclusive content that you will see nowhere else. So definitely check out our other videos and absolutely check out my book. It's motivational, educational, inspirational. It's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money, and it's a great and fun and entertaining read. Links are going to be below in the description. Do not sleep on this. So, Tour de France, again, I don't know the exact year, but about 15, 16 years ago. The thing that makes these special is because, as you guys probably know, many of the professional cyclists participating in the Tour de France, they had access to specific colorways that you and I didn't have access to. These were never sold to the general public, never available to the general public. Fortunately, I had an Oakley hookup back in the day, and I ordered a ton of these frames. And actually what he did was he sent just the frames. And when I say just the frames, I mean exactly that. No ear socks, no nose pieces. I had to purchase those separately, but they were hand painted by Oakley. He was on the inside or near someone who worked directly for Oakley. He got to order all these things because he was working with the Tour de France race itself. So fortunately, I was able to pick these up, and these are ultra cool. Come on in so we can see these. Now, disclaimer, this is not the original box. It's another radar box, but I put it in here for effect so we could unofficially unbox these. But let's get started here. This box is starting to wear out. It's one that I use often when they're, for example, other Tour de France radars that do not have official boxes, such as this one. And of course, we got our reinforced nylon ballistic case. Guys, they don't make these anymore. Here in 2026, when this video is being shot, Oakley has reverted to these garbage, I can't even remember what they call them, sport cases. They don't have a true metal icon. They have an indentation for an icon. Cheap, garbage, really watered down. These cases are much cooler. Come on in. And of course, the reinforced nylon ballistic case is cooler than what they offer now as well. But back in the day, this is what they offered. So again, this is not the actual case. I don't even think I got cases with these. I don't remember. It's been so many years since these arrived in the mail. But very, very cool pair of radars. Hand-painted, again, by Oakley. I have seen a lot of third-party, I've seen a lot of aftermarket pairs out there. Very cool, where they were painted by third parties, not Oakley, but very cool work out there. But I prefer to have everything Oakley as much as possible. So these are genuine Oakley, done by Oakley. And look at that. You got the red icon popping out there. So red to black fade on the frames. You've got these little splatters or dots on the brow. I like that a lot. It gives it a lot of character. That fade looks good. You've even got the splatters on the inside or the outside of the nose piece here. And remember, the Radarlocks, the nose pieces are all black. But the radars, the original radars, the nose pieces, the outside matches the frame. I happen to like that better. Red icons to match the brow of the frame and to give contrast to the black ear stems. Black, and I could have used red, but I used black ear socks and a black nose piece. And these are extra special because, make sure we get this in here and focus in, they are polarized black iridium or black iridium polarized. Do we have that in there? Are we okay, we're zoomed in. That's cool. So we got the polarized etching here. So yeah, these are extra special. I kind of don't want to try these on because I've tried on other radars in the past, and I think you guys pretty much know how radars fit. And by the way, these are the radar path. They are not the pitch. The path fit me better, and I think they fit most people better. If you do have a larger face or you do want that extra coverage, you could also get the pitch lens configuration for these. But we'll do a close-up of these briefly before ending the video. Yep, one of my favorite pairs. I got a lot of favorite pairs, but one of my favorite pairs definitely for the Tour de France Splatter collection. And I think we got almost every variation for those Tour de France Splatter frames. So that's why I say make sure you guys check out our upcoming episodes. Check out our past episodes too. We've had at least 2 others that we've done. I'll try to link those below in the description if I remember. So definitely check out those other episodes because they're ultra cool as well. They're not all identical. They're not all the same pattern, but different colors, but they're different patterns, different colors, different lenses, because of course we wanted some variation in the collection. I can't even get that's crazy. I can't even get the polarized etching in focus here, but I tried. But you guys saw that before on the previous segment of our video here. As always, thank you guys for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakley.